This is like a new one for me. I mean, I'm used to the turkeys. They come around my house every year, pretty much, at least the females. Well, there's one in particular female that comes to lay eggs. But, there's turkeys everywhere, actually. There's like a flock of 10 of them. It all depends. But these two females, I don't know what they're up to. Uh, I was just right over there where the bag was. And I'm like, what are you guys doing on my friggin' dirt? I don't know if they're trying to throw some eggs in there or what, but usually with the females, so I think they'll lay eggs alone, because I always see loners. And a matter of fact, there's definitely a bird right now who's going to lay eggs. It's up on the top of my hill here, because every single day, like clockwork, they're very smart when it comes to the time factor. They will come, take the same route, and go back to the nest. Now, I had a nest over there each year on the side of my house, and the bird would come. It's still there, actually. I didn't disturb it. It's under a tree, but she hasn't come back yet. I'm a little surprised. She's come back like 3 years in a row, and I've definitely taken a lot of videos of the little babies, the turkeys. It's a shame, too, because they start off at like, on average, 10, and then sheesh, by the end of the week, they're down to like 1 or 2, and then they kind of disappear. But they'll even return at the end of the night. I guess they feel secure. If anybody knows what these turkeys are doing, let me know. I'm interested or whatever. I could get very close to them. They're not really afraid. I don't put, I'm not a threat to these guys. I don't really care what they're doing, even though they're messing up my piles of nice dirt. But obviously they really like it. I don't know if it's like itchy or something for them, or they think that's a nest. But usually the nest would kind of be hidden out. So I really don't know what they're doing right now.